EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marcus here with your outlook for July 16th, 2020. Expecting partly to mostly cloudy skies for your Thursday, and that's because a warm front is going to be approaching the region. I don't think it's going to get precipitation into our area until after dark, and most likely after midnight for most areas. There could be a few showers moving across mainly the northern areas north of I-78 overnight into early Friday morning, but the global models are a little bit more enthused than the short-range models, and you can see that here with the European model showing some showers, generally the same areas, along and north of I-78, moving through overnight, and that goes into very early Friday morning. This is looking at 11 a.m., and looking over the previous 6 hours, it does show some precipitation early in the morning here on Friday. The NAM high-res future simulated radar, though, and this is looking at 9 p.m., still sees this activity mostly in western Pennsylvania here at this point, and nothing across our region. So partly to mostly cloudy in advance of this warm front, but we're not expecting any precipitation to come in here until after dark, and for most areas after midnight, and it's just going to be in the form of a few showers. You can see that here. This is looking at 4 a.m., and you can see a few showers across mainly in the northern areas here, but very spotty, more like light rain or drizzle, and that will continue into very early Friday morning. This is looking at 6 a.m. You still have some showers around here at this point, but that just disappears during the course of the morning, and then afternoon we have a cold front that's going to be moving in from west to east, and these there was a threat for thunderstorms later in the day if in fact we have enough clearing in between the warm front and the cold front coming through in the afternoon. And you're going to kind of laugh at this a little bit because the cold front that's coming through later in the afternoon really isn't really providing any cold air behind it. As a matter of fact, it's going to get even hotter on the other side of that front, which is a little odd. But we do have a cold front technically coming through here later on Friday, and this is all it does. This is all it shows on the NAM here. Not very much activity. And the reason it's doing that is because this is looking at 4 p.m. on Friday, and you still see plenty of clouds across the region, mostly cloudy skies, and that's going to inhibit any strong storm development because of it's actually destabilizing the atmosphere by having all these clouds in place. So if this is the case where it's mostly cloudy like this, the radar is going to look like this on Friday afternoon. You're really not going to have any much to deal with, and we're not expecting any severe storms anyway, but they could be a little bit more organized in this if we had a little bit of sunshine on Friday afternoon, but it doesn't look like that's going to be the case, and that's part of the reason why we're keeping temperatures in check for the next couple of days, today and Friday. But once we hit Saturday, on the opposite side of this front, we're going to turn much warmer, very hot, actually, once we get into the weekend. Temperatures are going to get into the 90-92 degree range here on Saturday, and then in the middle 90s by the time we get to Sunday and Monday. And humidity is going to increase in that same time frame on Sunday and Monday. I don't think Saturday's too bad just yet with the humidity, but once we get to Sunday and again on Monday, we're expecting some pretty high humidity. That frontal boundary that is moving through on Friday afternoon is going to sink off to the south and remain there this weekend, so we're expecting partly cloudy skies here on Saturday and then mostly sunny skies here on Sunday. Again, temperatures are going to increase dramatically over the weekend, so we're going from kind of middle 80s for the next couple of days and through Friday, and then we get to 90, 92-ish on Saturday, and then 94 to 96-ish on Sunday, and it's going to remain that way here on Monday as well. So here's Sunday again, mostly sunny skies Sunday, very hot, humid, and then Monday we're going to have a frontal boundary approaching the region. This is a cold front, and it's going to provide an opportunity for an isolated thunderstorm across the region here in the afternoon and evening on Monday. But again, very hot, just like Sunday was, and very humid. And then once we get past that point, we have a more scattered chance for thunderstorms both Tuesday and Wednesday. And that's because that same boundary that moves through on Monday is going to be kind of stalled, just kind of like right here, and it's going to become the focus of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Whenever you have an opportunity for a lifting mechanism to be in the region, whether it be a boundary, an outflow boundary, frontal boundary, anything like that, the slightest little boundary that in the region can trigger extra added lift that is able to take advantage of the temperatures and dew points in place that we're expecting early next week, and that could trigger thunderstorms, and that's what the global models are expecting here for Tuesday, which I'm showing you here, and here is Wednesday. It follows up with pretty much the same idea. So Tuesday and Wednesday have a better chance for thunderstorms than, say, Monday when the front moves through. But even though that boundary is going to be a little bit to the southeast and kind of stalled in the region, it'll still become the focus of scattered showers and thunderstorms mainly diurnally driven, afternoon, evening, with scattered thunderstorm activity. Not looking like a lot of severe weather with this. This is more like the pulsar variety, the slow-moving pulsars. So we'll re-examine this in the future here and see what we're dealing with. But it doesn't look like we're dealing with severe weather, at least in the next couple of days, through Thursday and Friday especially. But Monday doesn't look too bad either right now. It looks like just more isolated. Once we get to Tuesday and Wednesday, it's more scattered, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for July 16th, 2020. Have a great Thursday.